Hi, everybody. This is our last session together. This is week 6 of Sociology 105. Our focus for week 6 is on love, romance, and intimacy. So a little bit of class business. The last day of our class is Thursday, July 26th. Let me pause here and remind you to go get your lecture quizzes. So pause if you haven't done that yet, and then come right back. Okay, so our last day of class is Thursday, July 26th. So coming right up here. All work in the class must be completed by this date, and no work will be accepted after July 26th at 11:59 p.m. In week 6, we only have a couple of assignments. There is the lecture quiz that you're working on now, and then there is an extended journal, which is sort of a long form of the journal. It's around 1 to 1.5 pages. Hopefully you've taken a look at the assignment already and have already started working on it. You'll need a little extra time to work on that. Okay, and coming up is the answer to quiz question 1. So the final exam, it opens on Tuesday, July 24th at 12 noon, and it stays open until Thursday, July 26th at 11:59 p.m. So, I guess that wasn't the first quiz question. The first quiz question was, all assignments are due on the last day of class, which is Thursday, July 26th, which is the second option. So regarding the final exam, just like the midterm, you can pick any time to begin the exam within the open period. But once you begin, you will have 60 minutes of uninterrupted time to complete the exam. There's no stopping and starting. You have to finish it all at that one time. I will not be doing any makeups after Thursday, July 26th. So if something happens, your computer crashes, something like that, be sure to contact me right away and we can see what we can do. But hopefully nothing like that will happen and you'll just have an easy time of it. So the final exam study guide is available and has been available since the 4th week. It's in modules near the top of the page, and you should use that to help you to study for the final exam. I think I mentioned it before, but the final exam only covers the material from weeks 4, 5, and 6, and all of the topics are listed in the study guide. All right, that's it for our first video. On to the next one.